Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi guys, Natasha here. You know we care for our hair throughout the year, but come Holi and all our efforts go down the drain. So before you step out to play with your favorite colors, make sure you protect your lustrous locks. The harmful toxins present both in wet and dry colors strips moisture out of your hair, and your hair can look dry and rough for weeks. So if you want to protect your hair, it's really important that you tie your hair. Because when you tie your hair, you expose less surface area to the harmful chemicals. Also, your hair will have less tangles. So today we have with us Alicia Montero.
Hi guys.
So Alicia is going to show you some fabulous hairstyles because we all want to look great on Holi, and these hairstyles will also protect your hair from a lot of damage. So let's get started. So hope you give these hairstyles a try, and if you do, don't forget to click a picture and post them in the comment section below. We would love to see them. And guys, before we sign off, from the entire Femina team, Happy Holi!